extending thanks to TransWave and CFLI. Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. I've learned so much in terms of networking, how to prepare a proper business plan, how to get funding, and regarding social media nowadays, I've learned that it is the in thing right now. So I've used that to navigate with my business to get clients. I've also been inspired with my fellow classmates on how well they have been in tune with their business and how well they want to get this thing done. So that has really inspired me. Being so young and having my business, that really gave me the drive to push and go hard. And with the knowledge that I've been taught, it has really allowed me to go harder. And for that, I'm so grateful, sir. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. CFLI, TransWave, thank you so much.
Hey TransWave, hi CFLI. I want to thank you for this amazing opportunity that you have given to us as trans people and as a trans community. I want to say that I've learned so much within this entrepreneurship program. I've learned how to network and to mobilize persons when it comes on to seeking funding or investment for my business. I've also learned how to market my business and myself as an entrepreneur. I've also managed on getting strategic planning and investment when it comes on to my business. I'm the founder of Consult Givens and Touch IT Mobile Solution. And I want to say thank you so much for giving me the opportunity and the advancement to enhance my business in so many ways. Thank you, TransWave. Thank you, CFLI.
Hey, it's your girl Shana K here, Emphasis Boss. I just want to big up TransWave JA and CFLI for this wonderful entrepreneurship program you guys have put on. We have really benefited from this program and I want to say thank you. It has really been a success. I've really learned a lot. How to finance my business, how to write certain budget, how to go about dealing with different type of customer, writing grants, many stuff. I just want to say I'm so grateful and this will be really implemented in my business for further growth and benefit. So I just want to big up Mr. Fabian for his wonderful knowledge passed down to us. Want to big up Nas Robinson, Kim Savage, all the persons who are behind this wonderful project. I just want to say enough love, enough respect, looking for a greater here, and you will remember this brand of emphasis. Peace.